2612, which is a Deluxe Oceanview Stateroom. Again, this one has a porthole. This one is set up in the nighttime configuration, so you can see that the lounge or the sofa has been converted to a bed, and the pull-down bed has been popped down from the roof. Now, the cabin stewards will draw your curtains, so you don't need to worry about that of an evening. We're going to have a quick sneak peek out here because it is daytime. So we're quite low, so here's deck 2. That's the size of the porthole. As we look around the cabin, pay attention to the space under the bed, as well as all the storage available. And this is the towel animal that was set up for this particular cabin. I think that's kangaroo. Now it is a deluxe, which means that there is a split bathroom and shower again.